Electric dirt bikes are rewriting the rulebook, and KTM just dropped something special. Welcome back to Next Gen Reviews, where today we're diving into the 2026 KTM Freeride E XC, a machine that promises whisper-quiet trails without sacrificing the adrenaline. Let's find out if this electric revolution is ready to replace your gas-guzzling beast. Design. The 2026 Freeride E XC maintains KTM's signature aggressive styling with sharp lines and that iconic orange livery. But look closer, and you'll notice the sleeker battery integration that keeps the bike's center of gravity incredibly low. Weighing in at just 110 kilograms, this is one nimble machine. The compact chassis and minimalist design aren't just for aesthetics. They translate directly into agility on technical terrain. Performance. Here's where things get exciting. The upgraded electric motor delivers instant torque with zero lag. We're talking immediate power delivery that makes navigating tight switchbacks and steep climbs almost effortless. The new battery system extends range to approximately 90 minutes of aggressive riding, while the regenerative braking actually feeds power back during descents. 3 riding modes let you customize performance, from eco-friendly trail cruising to full attack enduro mode. Features and technology. KTM hasn't held back on tech. The 2026 model features a redesigned cooling system for consistent performance, upgraded WP suspension that soaks up everything the trail throws at you, and a TFT display showing real-time battery status and ride data. Fast charging capability means you're back on the trail in under an hour with the optional quick charger. Conclusion. The 2026 KTM Freeride E XC proves electric off-roading has arrived. What's your take? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this review, smash that like button, share it with your riding buddies, and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more cutting-edge motorcycle content. Hit that notification bell so you never miss our latest reviews.